First time visiting Vietnam? 5 questions every tourist asks before coming. These are exactly the questions every first-time traveler asks before landing in Vietnam. Question 1. Is Vietnam good for family travel? Yes, Vietnam is a fantastic destination for families. But here is the little secret. A family holiday is not only about taking beautiful photos. It is about creating moments your children will remember. Vietnam offers beautiful beaches to relax, cultural experiences to discover, fun activities for all ages, delicious food that makes everyone happy. Children often love Vietnam because every day feels like a new adventure. One day they explore the beach. The next day they discover local food. The next day they learn something completely new. Why is Alma Resort Cam Ranh one of the best choices for families? Because parents need relaxation too. While children enjoy exciting activities, families can enjoy a comfortable holiday with family-friendly facilities, relaxing beach atmosphere, entertainment for different ages, space to reconnect and create memories. For couples, Alma Resort Cam Ranh is also a peaceful place to escape daily stress and enjoy quality time together. And to make your Vietnam holiday more meaningful, ZAZEN Travel offers unique local experiences that help travelers discover the hidden beauty of Vietnam. Question 2. What money is used in Vietnam? Vietnam uses Vietnamese dong, or VND. The first time you see the money, you may think, "Wow, I am holding millions." Relax. 1 million VND does not mean you are a millionaire. It is just normal spending money in Vietnam. A useful tip: keep some cash for local markets, small shops, and street food. Question 3. Is Vietnam expensive? Vietnam is one of the best value travel destinations in Asia. You can enjoy luxury resorts, amazing cuisine, beautiful beaches, unique experiences. The good news: Vietnam can fit different travel styles. Budget traveler, comfortable and enjoyable. Luxury traveler, unforgettable and premium. For travelers looking for a high-end vacation experience, Alma Resort Cam Ranh, combined with private experiences from ZAZEN Travel, creates a holiday that is not just a trip, it becomes a memory. Because sometimes the most expensive thing is not a luxury hotel. It is missing the chance to experience Vietnam in the best way. Question 4. Can I use credit cards in Vietnam? Yes. Credit cards are commonly accepted at hotels, shopping malls, restaurants, tour companies. However, cash is still useful for local markets, small restaurants, street food, small family shops. The perfect travel formula: card in the wallet, cash in the pocket. Simple, no stress. Question 5. What experiences should I try in Vietnam? Do not only visit Vietnam, experience Vietnam. Because after your holiday, you will not remember every building you saw. You will remember the moments you lived. With ZAZEN Travel, travelers can experience Vietnamese cooking class, local village discovery, island adventures, traditional Vietnamese coffee, authentic local food experiences. The difference between a normal trip and an unforgettable trip? Experiences. Photos stay on your phone. Memories stay with you forever. That's why luxury travelers choose ZAZEN Travel. Before you book your Vietnam holiday, ask yourself, do you want only to visit Vietnam? Or do you want to truly feel Vietnam? A comfortable stay at Alma Resort Cam Ranh and authentic local experiences with ZAZEN Travel can help turn your Vietnam vacation into a story worth sharing. Vietnam is waiting. The only question is, when will your journey begin?